Welcome back, dear viewers. Today, we are diving into the future of intellectual property rights. As the world continues to evolve, so does the landscape of IP protection. Let's explore where IPR is headed in the future and how innovations are reshaping this essential area of law. The history of intellectual property rights is a testament to humanity's endless capacity for innovation. One of the earliest examples emerged in 15th century Venice, where the world's first patent law was enacted. Over the centuries, IP rights have evolved significantly, culminating in the TRIPS agreement in 1994. Understanding this evolution is crucial for navigating today's complex IP landscape. AI, blockchain, and the future of IPR enforcement. The relentless march of technology, particularly in the realms of artificial intelligence and blockchain, is poised to reshape the landscape of intellectual property rights in profound ways. AI, with its ability to analyze vast data sets and generate novel outputs, presents both opportunities and challenges for IP protection. On one hand, AI-powered tools can streamline the process of patent searching, copyright analysis, and infringement detection, enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of IPR enforcement. On the other hand, the rise of AI-generated content raises complex questions about authorship, ownership, and liability. Blockchain technology, known for its decentralized and immutable nature, holds immense potential for revolutionizing IPR management and enforcement. By creating a secure and transparent record of ownership, blockchain can help combat counterfeiting, streamline licensing agreements, and facilitate the transfer of IP rights. Smart contracts, self-executing contracts embedded in blockchain code, can automate royalty payments, track the use of copyrighted material, and simplify the process of enforcing IP agreements. Redefining ownership in the digital age. The emergence of non-fungible tokens and the proliferation of 3D printing technologies are transforming the very notion of ownership, particularly in the digital realm, and challenging traditional IP frameworks. NFTs, unique digital tokens built on blockchain technology, have gained significant traction as a means of representing and trading digital assets, including art, collectibles, and even virtual real estate. The ability to assign verifiable ownership to digital content through NFTs has the potential to empower creators, enable new forms of monetization, and foster the growth of digital economies. However, the legal and practical implications of NFTs for IP protection are still being explored. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, has revolutionized the way objects are designed, prototyped, and produced. By enabling the creation of physical objects from digital designs, 3D printing has democratized manufacturing and opened up new possibilities for customization and on-demand production. Legal frameworks and enforcement mechanisms are evolving to address the unique challenges posed by 3D printing, with ongoing debates about the scope of IP protection for 3D printed objects and the liability of different actors in the 3D printing ecosystem. The importance of international cooperation and harmonization. In an increasingly interconnected world, where goods, services, and ideas flow seamlessly across borders, the protection and enforcement of intellectual property rights require robust international cooperation and harmonization of legal frameworks. Globalization has led to an unprecedented surge in cross-border trade, investment, and collaboration in research and development, making it more important than ever to establish a predictable and consistent global IP system. International treaties, such as the Agreement on Trade-Related Aspects of Intellectual Property Rights administered by the World Trade Organization, have played a pivotal role in setting minimum standards for IP protection and enforcement among member nations. The World Intellectual Property Organization, a specialized agency of the United Nations, provides a global forum for countries to cooperate on IP matters, develop international IP treaties, and promotes the use and protection of IP for economic, social, and cultural development. Harmonization of IP laws across different jurisdictions is crucial for reducing legal uncertainty, facilitating cross-border licensing agreements, and ensuring effective enforcement against infringement. Section 5 Ethics, Sustainability, and IP Balancing Innovation with Social Responsibility. As intellectual property rights continue to evolve, it's becoming increasingly crucial to integrate ethical and environmental considerations into IP laws, policies, and practices. The traditional focus on incentivizing innovation and rewarding creators must be balanced with broader societal goals of promoting access to knowledge, protecting public health, and ensuring environmental sustainability. One key ethical consideration is the need to balance the rights of IP holders with the public interest in accessing essential medicines, educational materials, and other vital resources. The TRIPS agreement, while recognizing the importance of IP protection, also acknowledges the flexibility for countries to implement measures that address public health concerns, such as compulsory licensing of essential medicines in certain circumstances. Another ethical challenge relates to the use of IP rights to control and restrict access to genetic resources and traditional knowledge, particularly in developing countries. Sustainability considerations are also gaining prominence in the context of IP, with the development and diffusion of environmentally sound technologies being crucial for addressing global challenges like climate change and resource depletion. Section 6: The evolving landscape of IP litigation, new challenges and opportunities. The digital age has brought about significant changes to the landscape of IP litigation, presenting both new challenges and opportunities for IP holders, alleged infringers, and the courts. The rise of the internet and digital technologies has led to a surge in cross-border IP infringement, making it more difficult to enforce IP rights across jurisdictions. The ease with which digital content can be copied, shared, and distributed online has made it easier for infringers to operate anonymously and across borders, posing challenges for traditional enforcement mechanisms. In response to these challenges, courts and lawmakers are adapting to the digital environment, developing new legal doctrines and procedures for addressing online IP infringement. The increasing use of alternative dispute resolution mechanisms, such as mediation and arbitration, is another notable trend in IP litigation. Moreover, the growth of specialized IP courts and tribunals with technical expertise in areas such as patents, trademarks, and copyrights has enhanced the quality and efficiency of IP litigation. Section 7: The role of education and awareness in navigating the future of IPR. In a rapidly evolving IP landscape shaped by technological advancements, globalization, and shifting societal norms, education and awareness play a crucial role in empowering creators, businesses, and the public to understand and navigate the complexities of IP rights. For creators and innovators, a strong understanding of IP is essential for protecting their creations, securing funding, and commercializing their inventions. Educational programs, workshops, and online resources can provide creators with the knowledge and skills to identify, protect, and enforce their IP rights. Businesses, particularly those operating in knowledge-intensive industries, need to be aware of the importance of IP management, including IP due diligence, licensing agreements, and enforcement strategies. Employees at all levels of an organization should be educated about the company's IP policies and procedures to mitigate the risk of infringement and protect valuable IP assets. By promoting IP literacy, we can empower consumers to make informed choices, support legitimate creators, and contribute to a vibrant and sustainable creative economy. Section 8: Conclusion towards a robust and inclusive global IP ecosystem. The future of intellectual property rights is inextricably linked to our ability to adapt to the rapid pace of technological change, foster international cooperation, and integrate ethical and sustainability considerations into IP systems. It's crucial to strike a balance between incentivizing innovation, rewarding creators, and promoting broader societal goals of access to knowledge, public health, and environmental sustainability. Building a robust and inclusive global IP ecosystem requires ongoing dialogue and collaboration among stakeholders, including governments, international organizations, industry, academia, and civil society. By working together, we can ensure that IP systems remain relevant, effective, and responsive to the evolving needs of our interconnected world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might be interested in the future of IPR. See you in the next video.